na Outspa Show era VTFM. Evento konikina.
O Punja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM e kamida ngekachi.
Andra, Bulvanaka, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Same Bulvanaka. To all the staff of Punjas as well as Vinod Patel who are tuning in this morning. We say Andra Binaka to you all. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Andra Binaka Dems, Andra Binaka Sem.
Yang Rabinaka Dems to each and everyone tuning in from inside the bus, inside the minibus, the taxi in this morning. Likewise to Knox Bakuribalu, and then they are going up to the highland of Naitasiri in this wonderful morning.
Oi.
They semen sukumai.
Yeah.
Bondo binakatikan na bukunin ngolong Naitasiri. Knox and then enamataka binakanikuwa.
Well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning. Even though it's a tough morning for us, some of us will be leaving someone who close to us because we are going for a scholarship. Playing rugby.
Right.
Scholarship of learning education. Scholarship of living towards your new area of responsibility. Thankful to the family for their
support,
for their invacagel. Yeah, good morning and thank you very much to all the mamas, to all the daughters who joining this morning student. Thank you very much. Keten Romoleniata. Oh, lolombun dali toka.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Back to all the drivers as well as all the passengers tuning this morning. To all the passengers going to in the Subarasori corridor. We say Back and welcome to this wonderful show this morning. It's a bit dull this morning. Sembra manduaci it's a bit shy. The matanisi is a bit shy. Usini kala the bune pakina na mataka dikua. Ya ndoro Banak ni chiki lama kona din bensini. Kwa wanga tigo ya na mataka dikua. Mataka na non bensini karkara na betongo.
Tamay Makelina.
Kataremoremo.
Kataremoremo. Tamay Makelina and the staff of the Vera Kedalin Bengrab Tambada ni Bebando Donitaki. Correction Department. Isa. And also to Bill Lysenia, Myra and Lily.
Is Jay that in view somewhere there?
Yeah, not yet.
Okay, set.
Tinay Jos, Rina J. Rakai, Takolote, Kalabeti Rocco, Ketenro Moria. Everybody joining this morning. Second article.
Okay, we say good morning to Papa Dule.
Papa Dule, good morning.
Papa Dule, nongo papango, warong chumben the bule buyan na matagnikua. Rare maruta chumben no nakana porridge na matagnikua.
Saiso Kibeta and the Mbula ambulance driver. Don't bula bena kamia mbula re. And thankful to everybody joining this morning.
To all the students still on the road and to all the teachers tuning this morning. Handa pinaka wiki todoko. Oshi na ngoni bul todoko ni daba. Orto abu.
Iyo na sinu Gospel Primary School for their interhouse.
They'll be having their interhouse today at the HFC Bank Stadium. So Tamayabu after the show this morning, we'll be heading off to HFC Bank Stadium to support the Abu.
We never start Tamay Abu and all the teachers. Say the good Loma the to all the teachers in this wonderful morning. Likewise to Oji the Timbu is here.
Right, Andra.
And NC Naituku, Mr. Beast. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Right.
Kuinuati from Naitutu Dairy Farm.
Andra.
Bulubinaka and Doris Waiwalu. Thank you very much for tuning in and to all the people who are asking.
Who?
Hey, where you get your Jesse?
Who? Hold on. We'll come to that.
Okay.
So the first thing go. Jeda Timbu, morning joining from Nausori School pickup, Pudi Road to CMF Primary School.
Okay.
That question I would like to ask you the message. Okay, I would like to simply
the best.
Simply health. Courage,
unity,
and spirit. What kind of spirit tongo? Okay, where did you get this? Okay, underneath on the left. It's written here: Fiji versus Barbarian FC, Twickenham Stadium, Saturday 16th November 2019. Who gave you the jersey?
The jersey coming from the playground. Go na jersey na
official jersey go.
Official jersey. Number go?
Number
2.
Hookah.
Hey, one small hookah.
Okay, please stand up.
This jersey is expendable.
Show the what you call it, the
Twickenham
trademark here.
Engaro taluri telmida kena.
Sianga, citake please, titenge.
Yeah, luka.
Awasara nga.
It's stretchable.
Iyo.
This one is play for the hookah. Kwango wawabwe.
Iyo.
So was playing at that time. So it was given from Peter Tawake Tobata.
Oi.
And the Bubale Tawake from
Right.
UK.
Right.
He was watching and the fellow friend
Iyo.
is a hookah, the team from there.
Oi. Some signatures here.
Yes, signatures. The team who playing that time.
Balu.
O de?
Balu.
Balu lang daw tandong. Yeah.
Ano na, totok.
Babirian.
Babir.
Yeah.
Kaya deme si Vicky Maneno kada kaya ko simberi sara Vicky Toro matang ko. Please go to the Facebook BTFM Facebook page.
Iyo.
Like it and watch us live on this show this morning. Okay. I would like to ask them a few things about the characteristics
Iyo.
of the leaves, of some leaves.
Yes.
The mbala leaf.
If you see the Mbala leaves,
Yeah.
he's a very rough leaf.
Okay.
He is equal. The left side and the right side.
Oi.
Iya. Epaka merau windiriki.
Right.
Left, but they are in an opposite mood. Like two in two side, like on the left, two in the middle, on the right, another one. It's like that.
Yeah.
Two. Right on top. It's equal.
Okay, number 2 formation eh?
Iya.
Okay.
But in the middle,
Yeah.
there is a king.
Oi.
Nanraw na vo. Komisan, it's like a king when you play chess.
Yeah.
Ay, nari ang chess.
Yeah,
Eh?
yeah.
chess, yeah.
Yeah, it look like the horse Broncos.
Yeah.
It's,
Some of the use of the Balambala.
yes,
Yeah.
Michael no.
How about the tomboy?
The domboy, the things
Lemon
are-
leaf, grass, lemon
yeah,
grass.
the lemongrass. Na domboy is a very useful plant. Yeah.
Na may makaset, ngorin baberin ang lanay.
He's a play a major role in our lives.
Yeah.
The domboy.
Yeah.
The domboy.
Yeah.
It cures some sickness in our body.
Yeah.
Some of the cancer
Yeah.
in our body, it cures by the domboy.
Ramadan ko, name it. Yeah.
If you use the not only the leaves,
Yeah.
goes together with the roots. They can chase the evil spirit too away.
Oi.
So natangida.
Yeah.
So natangida, when you see some of the tangida, they say sinirawa.
Yeah.
Use the domboy na wakana way katakata.
Yeah.
Then together with the woody, tuki, sangay mboro ya ngomu kay
With the one mati dito.
ngunu ba, wani matiridoda meteke.
Okay. What about okay lang niyo kira ka kuri bulta ka?
Iyo,
Na
Warus.
Nronindawa.
right, na Nronindawa.
Yeah.
Nronindawa is a very big tree, but they are very small leaves.
Right.
They are very small fruits.
Yeah.
When you see the Nronindawa,
Yeah.
they are different from any other.
Yeah.
Unlike mahogany.
Yeah.
Mahogany, the leaves is like a season plant leaves.
Yeah.
When the winter is on the other side,
Yeah.
the leaves change in colors.
Yeah.
The leaves too leave the branch and fall down.
Yeah.
But Tandawa, from January to December, there's only two colors.
Yeah.
If you can see green, you see the red.
Boy.
Green shows mature,
Yeah.
red shows younger.
Wana now.
Yeah.
Guys, totoka mabuti. How about kavika leaves?
Kabika leaves,
Yeah.
Epanes knows it.
Hey, lele.
Leo kabika from Lut. Kabika leaves,
Yeah.
he's a leaves,
Yeah.
but ukapaka tuna kurombombe.
Yeah.
Eba kalendole ibude.
Ah.
It's like a pregnant leaves.
Oi.
Iyo. When you see guavali ataguri,
Nakabika.
nakabika leaves.
Yeah.
It's the leaves are on some side broad, some
Yeah.
and sometimes the curve side on the leaves.
Oi. The pregnant leaf.
The pregnant leaves. The way that help the insect to come
Yeah.
and lay their eggs.
But who pregnant the leaf?
It's a texture.
Oi.
Yeah. It's a texture of kind, eh?
Yeah.
Evang amen kenembuli to help some of the insect, some of
All
the birds come
The
and
ecosystem,
nesting
eh?
there, the ecosystem of
Right.
their lives and protocol is photosynthesis. Set cytoplasm, the mitochondria.
Sometimes you walk into the garden in the midday, in the stillness of the day.
Yeah.
You can hear the leaves talking.
Yes.
Talking.
You can only hear a leaves talking while the wind is walking.
Right. Go. Right.
You can only hear leaves talking while the wind is walking.
Right.
When the wind is sleeping?
When the wind is sleeping, there is no noise.
Magandua.
Unless a human being is there, is shaking a tree, and the tree is talking.
Okay, how about the mbitu leaf?
The mbitu leaves?
Yeah.
The mbitu leaf is thick, thin leaves.
Oi.
And don't know, gairamba.
Right.
Yeah, ngata-ngata.
Right.
It's very sharp.
Right.
He classified in 3 or 4 unicorn. Kami tolu nandola tambana tukine tolu ba.
Yeah.
So they are very strong.
Right.
They are very strong.
Yeah.
Unlike some other plants, when you see the mbitu,
Yeah.
the mbitu baka ngaramon dulu.
Right.
Ngaramon dulu kena bale.
Yeah.
Bakai wase elala na loma
Right.
ni mbitu.
Yeah.
The loma ni mbitu, it's like a vacuum cleaner. Elala na loma. Iyo. But wase na kena ingolo.
Hey. Ayaw sarang. Okay. The boy leaves.
The boy leaves.
Yeah.
The boy leaves. The boy, it's very, very tough man when it's in green. Because they have their own weapon.
Yeah.
To help them,
Yeah.
keep them,
Yeah.
to survive
Yeah.
in a tough time.
Yeah. During the battle.
During the battle. So, when somebody wants a boy, he will be have to have a
go through that
going through that process
weapon
to take that one. But in our traditional form, they got a very, very important responsibility in our life. Okay, last one. Yeah.
Zonganro.
Zonganro is a sensitive grass.
Yeah.
When we see them, they are very tough when they sleep.
Yeah.
Nangone mode kina na zonganro nangona munda uririko.
Yeah.
Because that's the time they will pinching you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But they have different form of colors. They will only grow where a soil full of pakaming geleng kasing-kasi.
Disturbance.
Yeah, disturbance soil. You'll never see a zonganro. You'll never see a zonganro in a loam soil. In a clay soil. We'll see them in a like the
like one
bauxite.
That's true. You're true.
Yeah.
You very true.
Right.
When some bulldozer after bulldozer, then they'll see that
like the form of rock soil in a brown clay weather.
Right.
Yeah.
You're very right.
Yeah. Benar kada nanda taruh nanda itu kutu kana matang ko na ka eso erdu dukin na bin ko kedesar. Ya tambe chingo elabati ba.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Well, some of the people they see the zonganro.
Yeah.
And they don't walk slowly. They have to run.
Yeah.
Run across.
Yeah. Some of us run across.
Yeah.
When somebody chase from the galley, we don't know who's a zonganro se dava.
Okay. Which one is the most important leaf?
Before we go to the important, we would like to say good morning to Rendas, Lucio Tauvoli from Australia this morning.
The multitask one.
The multitask one is the Warusi.
Please explain.
The Warusi.
Yeah. See, my Facebook name is Warusi.
Yes. He only can grow.
Yeah.
He only can grow if there is a tree, strong tree.
Right.
Because he does not have a backbone
to
withstand him.
Yeah.
He only salah.
Right.
Salah. But they got a very strong muscle.
Yeah.
And very, very Buddha.
Warna moko.
So that's why. Maybe that's why Ratawaros is very Buddha.
So if you want your cell
Yeah.
to be strong.
Yeah.
Because multitask, eh?
Yeah.
If you want your cell to be strong,
Yeah.
you have to boo, metuki.
Yeah.
You tuki, you cook it, and you drink the water from that.
Yeah.
So you will feel while training, when you do the training,
Yeah.
you will feel your muscle, your nomu salanindra,
Yeah.
nomu air na kuko man.
Your body becomes talkative.
Yeah, becomes talkative.
Yeah.
And another thing,
Yeah.
they are only not for there.
Yeah.
They we can use to tie mendaube sukine sona kau.
Yeah.
They are very strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some of us we use it for me bakarere tu ni manu.
Yeah.
Where
Bombay.
some of the people, before they going to say the field for playing rugby, before they went inside,
Yeah.
they drink it.
You drink it before 2 weeks for the game.
Oh.
Like every day, so that
Not-
can help you.
Yeah.
Not just this morning you playing. 1 minute before play, you drink it.
No. That one will be not working on the day of playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not mannering.
After the game,
Yeah.
then he will play. Yeah, that's the reason why the multi skills
Yeah.
and multi importance
Yeah.
the Warusi is.
You'll become playful.
Hey, thank you very much to Outspalang Show this morning and everybody joining our thing. Come.
Yeah.
You playful?
And also to Punjas
Yeah.
and
Vinod Patel. Yes, sir.
Boris Mewalu. Lambu too is a very strong help us to
See.
healthy, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
But some
See,
people
kalau
drink-
kunge,
Yeah.
this Tamalehia
Yeah.
used to drink it before sleep.
Boy,
Oi.
it's a very apisay betuka.
Then he becomes playful.
Becomes playful.
Yeah, yeah.
Eh.
Yeah, yeah.
Ako la father.
Father too, before father came here,
Yeah.
used to drink the Warus too.
Who?
Father Kula Tambolo.
At ko na bilesen yan na multitask kaya talagang chisen yan ko na nawarus.
Sabi naman sa Rotumbuka from Mackay, Australia.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. And each and everyone, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, Johnson Ravesi. Kasi bulare.
Hey, why not coming today?
Who?
John Kumar.
Maybe somewhere up there. He doesn't miss Wakata missing, right?
Maybe he's sleeping.
Or maybe he sleep because of the cell bowl, eh?
Yeah.
That the Risingatoka River is just beside his house, eh?
Iyo.
Maybe he's sleeping now because of the cold, eh? Cold
Yeah,
weather
yeah,
in Singatoka. And John Kumar, maybe you'll watch this video later.
Good evening from UK.
Hey, ano ba ka?
Oh,
Tangan ni kurkuru.
fifing tag. Tangan ni kurkuru. Bela wa dos turan ni manyaba. Tuan bulare. Kita me ketu sada ka? Sada. Kita me ketu sada. Kita me ketu sada ba? Tama ni na uli bengarabi sa tintintal na warus.
He becomes playful now.
Because playful.
Seray.
Time.
Sera marama. Iya, pinabale bu. Na tokan dan bengarabi.
Kurumundo ko.
Ito na ka tani ko, eh?
Like taka hataka siya takang